What's up, it's Homeowner Sapien coming back at you with another video. Today I'm going to show you guys our summer kiddie pool, inflatable pool situation going on in our backyard. We have our shade sails, as you've previously seen, installed in another video, and then we have it directly underneath the area where it's shaded. And this is an inflatable pool, and I've got my pool skimmer. The kids have just finished swimming and I got the pool skimmer, so I'm just finishing up skimming up some of the debris that they left behind. But I wanted to show you the setup because it's definitely worked out for us. We have our little chlorine floaty in there with a chlorine tablet, and I'll show you what we use. And then we have our tarp directly, it's not quite all the way underneath, but it's halfway underneath, and then the other half folds over so as to provide cover whenever they're not swimming, and it does a good job of keeping out bird poop and other leaves that may be falling from the trees around the area. So I'm just about wrapped up with the skimming, and I'll show you the chlorine tablet that we have in there. Yep. Alright, so these are the chlorine tablets that we have. They're called Easy Chlor small tabs, and basically I bought this from a pool supply store somewhere locally. So we have this pool chlorine floaty, and what's nice about this thing is that you're able to adjust the amount of chlorine dispersed over time. If you've got a small pool, you'll have like one notch, and if you have a larger pool, you can open it up to these 4 notches here. So our pool, typically we do 1 or 2 notches depending on how often the kids get in there, but this opens up, and right now it's down to the last little bit of chlorine tablet, so we're gonna throw in another one right now. So this is the 3rd year that we've had this container. I don't want to touch this with my hands, so I'm just gonna kind of get that one in there, kind of shake it in there. Got one tablet. I'm going to close it up, close the lid, and turn it clockwise to shut it. I'm going to leave it at 2, put that back in there, let it do its thing. So it's important to keep your pool chlorinated. You don't want to over chlorinate or under chlorinate, but definitely the chlorine is going to kill any of the bacteria in there, as it would do in a normal pool. So don't forget, if you have a inflatable portable pool in your home, it's important to sanitize it in some way, and these chlorine tablets do the job for us. Okay, so now that we've done the cleaning, we've done the chlorine tablets, I'm going to show you a look at the tarp setup. So we're going to fold the tarp back over, and you'll see kind of the coverage that we get and how we secure it to the pool. Okay, so now we've got bungee cords along the bottom here, and it's holding this in place. I like to point the sharp side out so it doesn't puncture inflatable. This goes over, and this attaches to the other side. And then over here, we're just using bungee cords. I'm gonna stick that in there. Secure it on this side, and then this one's a little shorter distance, so I'm using a shorter bungee cord and attaching it here just to make sure that the wind doesn't pull it over. And that's it. So we have a tarp that's protecting the bottom of the pool for the most part, and the flap covering the pool, protecting it from anything that would fall into the pool and get it dirty. So that's our setup in the backyard with our inflatable pool. We got the tarp, chlorine tablets, and that's it. So hopefully you found that helpful, informative, and if you're interested in following along to my channel, I've got more homeowner projects to do and to share with you guys. So subscribe to the channel, and I'll catch you in the next video.